Hi guys, welcome back to my channel See with Sree. Now today I'm not going to be doing basic food vlogging. Today I'm actually going to be filming one of the events at our apartment, which is going to be children's cooking without fire. So here it's going to be like a challenge where two teams are going to be cooking without fire, and then we are going to see how it goes and exactly how is their food. It's going to be on a whole new dimension, on a different outlook. So let's begin.
Hello everyone, my name is Ira Amdekar and today I'm going to take part in a cooking competition which does not have fire. It's going to be an exciting journey throughout this half an hour long competition, and I'm so excited for it. I am competing for the team, the Pro Cooks, and my partner is just about to come after me.
Hi guys, I am Keisha. I am participating in the team Pro Cook. I am the partner of Ira. I am 7 years old. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mahi Sharma. I am 11 years old. I am speaking on behalf of Super Cooks. Here is my partner.
Hi guys, my name is Harini. I am in the part of Super Cooks and I am with my partner Mahi. Thank you.
Okay, choco chips.
What are you making first?
Otherwise the judges will start fighting for Oreos.
No, judges don't fight for Oreos.
I want Oreo.
Yeah, this judge fights for Oreos.
Okay, let him take the Oreo. Oh, yeah. You will take this one.
Okay, look this way.
So now we have finished making all our dishes. We've made 3 dishes. The first one is this coconut plus sugar plus chocolate plus blackberry snowman, and it looks like this. I hope you think it's snowman-y. Then I have a plate of fruit salad here made with some powdered sugar, bananas and apples.
Yeah, you used the help for that.
Yeah. So this, and then the third and final dish is glasses of virgin mojito. This is the fruit salad.
Let them have.
To most of us, so I'll give you a hats off for that. And I think that's a very good idea for all the everybody who cooks at home. And so I really liked the way you guys actually skewered the fruit salad like this. And there are many people who many parents who actually struggle to get their children or their friends to have fruits. Now if you guys actually skewer this, it makes them look much more appealing. You have added a whole new dimension to fruit salad, so that's a very good idea.
Thank you.
So
Coconut snowman.
okay, this turned into a simplification sum.
Wait, now you broke the head.
Snowman is beheaded.
Snowman is beheaded. Murder mystery, who killed the snowman?
Roshan.
Grandma.
Put the whole thing in your mouth. Record ko, record.
You can't take it.
Okay, just okay. I'm going to
Who did the modern case of breaking the body?
the great.
Jenny Sharma.
Hey, I'm not Srijani Sharma. Okay.
That's good. Look what I did to this part. How is it? How is it?
Very good. It's like you have combined pancakes, chocolate pancakes, and you have combined them with Indian desserts which have coconut in them, and along with that you have added dairy milk sales. So it is packed with flavor, various types of flavors in it. Like you have got the crunch of coconut, you have got gooey chocolate, you have got the blueberries also. They have that those juicy parts which you want in the middle. I absolutely loved this, and it looked very cute also in the beginning.
Now you ate the snowman.
Yeah.
Sometimes with fruits like that. It's kind of a fruit, kind of a drink.
It's a fruity drink, okay.
It's a fruity drink.
I already have one. I took it. What are the main ingredients you use for this?
So for this, I used a soda, virgin mojito, the mixture that I have at home.
Mm-hmm.
I had a bottle of that with me right now, so I just made it from your mouth.
Okay.
And powdered sugar.
Okay, powdered sugar you have put. Okay.
Very nice powder sugar.
I think you guys have remade Sprite. It's awesome. You have another glass?
Another glass, if you want, I can make you. But that should be with water because the soda is finished.
I want one more.
Shall I make you? Because we have the ingredients to make it.
If you take mine.
No need.
We're done with the recipe.
Yeah, we made a recipe.
What have you made?
We have made, we made chocolate sandwiches, some Oreo and all of this. Now hopefully we think the judges like it. A lot of hard work.
Like the
Thank you.
animals. Why? Because my mother was in the middle of an office call when I went up to call her for this. So she thanked
We hope you like our recipe. Lot of hard work.
It looks really good. Like it looks very big. It looks spread out. Now the balls are. Ayo, it looks like some Kinder Joy ball they put.
They are Kinder Joy balls.
What's this white thing on top? It's milk powder.
Milk powder.
And you have used crushed almonds and Nutella. Okay.
You're looking like this is going to be weird. What?
How is it? Thank you so much.
So good. So how much we got?
It's extremely good.
How much we got?
Wait, now you can taste the sandwiches.
Okay.
What's up the Oreo Dairy Milk?
Me.
Don't worry, we have more.
We have more, so chill.
Let's go get it.
Now let's try this. Wow. Looks pretty filled up. Very generously given.
How much we got? We can't tell you yet.
Yeah, lemonade. Lemonade is most important.
10, 3 to 1 leader.
Okay, look.
Here you go.
I got lemonade with plate free.
Here is your lemonade.
Okay, little one special.
Okay, so what all have you used here? Soda.
We
Pure
don't use
honey.
soda. Because soda is bad for your health.
So this is like a healthy version of lemonade.
Yeah, we used
We
pure
use pure
honey.
honey.
Pure honey, okay.
And little bit lemon
Of course.
and water.
So do you think the lemon is enough?
No, we don't. I mean, we had only one lemon.
Okay, let's see.
We thought of making only one lemonade, but
So good.
for the 3 judges, we did 3 lemons.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good. I think if you guys chilled it, then it would have passed for sweet lime water, which they give at the restaurant. So it's
Yeah, but
very good.
We couldn't chill it. I mean,
Yeah.
we are doing it outside after all. And ice, I can't. I'm sick
Will
of
melt.
it.
Just 10 out of 10.
So what's the overall rating?
I'm 8. No,
I'm
I'm 8
8.5.
out of 10. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. I'll give them 8.5 because the presentation was
10 out
excellent.
of 8. You can't do 0.5. Yeah, 8 or 9. Choose.
8.
8. 8. What's that?
Total.
24 out of 30.
30. Not bad.
8 out of 10
I'm
basically.
gonna finish this.
Yeah, the lemonade's very good. Why do I always get the plate free? So we actually did a good deal of pet puja right now, having all of your cooked without fire dishes, and I can safely say that even without cooking with fire, you actually impressed a lot of us, and actually we loved both of your dishes a lot. And it was both very innovative, and you never actually expect these kind of dishes to come up, because whenever you have fruits, you expect it to be a fruit salad in a bowl. You never expect it to be on a skewers and served in such an innovative way. Whenever you have Nutella and biscuits, you expect the biscuits to be crumbled with the Nutella and something. You never expect it to become a sandwich. So both of the teams, both of them were equally good, and I think both of the teams deserve a good round of applause for this entire beautiful thing that you have done in just 30 minutes.
In a very hard time.
In a very hard time. Most of us in 7th grade also we'll end up making just one like banana stick dipped in chocolate. That's the only thing we can make in 30 minutes. You guys did a lot in 30 minutes. So now coming to the serious part, the marks. Now the marks are for Ira's and Kisha's team. You guys had a beautiful snowman blueberry kind of beautiful dish you had, and if you ever get a dish like this, I think you should patent this, because this might become the top trending dessert idea in the next few years. So you should patent that. Your fruit salad, it was pretty good. And your virgin mojito, it was also very good. It had this limey taste to it. It was very refreshing. So we have decided to give you 8 from Roshan, 7 from Ananya, and an 8 from my side. You guys get a 23 out of 30 for your awesome ensemble of dishes. So you guys should really patent your innovative ideas. Now, Mahi's team, you guys, what do I say? You guys made such a dish which was like a dessert pyramid, so to say. You had volume at the bottom. You had Kinder Joy, self-made Kinder Joy at the sides, and on top you had Oreos and Cadbury's, and you made the dish such that it was all focusing on the nuttiness and the creaminess of chocolate. Now you entirely focused it on chocolate. That was your first dish. We loved it. Now for your lemonade, you made a healthy version of a lemonade, and we did not see any, we did not sense any difference that it was not the lemonade we have in the restaurants, even though you used honey. And so we were really impressed with the way you had actually prepared your lemonade. So we decided to give you guys, Roshan, how much did you give them? He gave you a 9. And then I decided to give you guys an 8, and decided to give you guys an 8. So that gives you 25 points, and you guys are 23 points. That's like 2 points difference. So both of you are declared as, like, both of you had awesome dishes, both of you had wonderful, but only by a small margin. I think you guys had 2 points, but anyways, both of you guys are the winner. So okay, first I'm going to give the certificate to Harini, who spent a lot of time making Nutella balls, right? Nutella balls. Master chef she is basically. Next it is Mahi. Come. She made the entire recipe and she was worrying about it since yesterday. I mean, honestly, you shouldn't have worried about it.
Okay, after this, can we play roller coaster?
Come on, na. Hira. Okay, now you did a fantastic job. I think if, like, just invite me to your restaurant once, okay? Just once.
If I have a restaurant.
You will. And lastly, Kisha. Still in first grade and already making fruit salad and everything. Good job.
No, she's going to second grade.
Oh, second grade?
Me too.
Big girl. Oh, you are also going to second grade. Our judge is from second grade and still he can judge food so well. Give me a...